Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and this rocker knife salad chopper from Checkered Chef totally rocks. My family is super into eating salads with all of our meals, and this is so helpful with that. A lot of times I do struggle with chopping up all of the lettuce options with a knife. I worry about accidentally cutting my fingers, and sometimes it's just really hard to get in there when there's so much volume. Shredded carrots, you can rock over those, make those smaller pieces. It just works with so many different items. I use it primarily for cutting up what I need for salads. It is so easy to clean because even when everything has built up, even in between, you can just put it under running water. It goes all the way around. I don't have to worry about accidentally slicing or cutting myself. It is just a really well-designed item that fits so well in the palm of your hand. And then because it is all metal, it also, even with the blade guards, connects very easily to the knife magnet board. I really liked this. It is just a fun new way to cut my salad, and I think anyone who loves their vegetables should give it a shot. And that's my point of view.